George and Amal Clooney have been viewed as one of Hollywood's most solid and sophisticated couples. Amal, the renowned international human rights lawyer, and George, the Hollywood legend and philanthropist, appeared to have the kind of partnership everyone dreams of. Together, they built a life of elegance. Luxurious homes in Italy, private jets, red carpet appearances, and adorable twins. But behind the glamour, whispers began circulating in elite circles suggesting things weren't as perfect as they seemed. Rumors of George's increasing absence, unexplained late nights, and private conversations that Amal reportedly wasn't supposed to overhear have been making their way through Hollywood's inner circles. Sources close to the family say Amal has been growing more suspicious for weeks, leading to the emotional confrontation that may have triggered George's health scare. According to insiders, the confrontation happened late one evening at the couple's Los Angeles estate. Amal, visibly upset, allegedly confronted George about messages that she found on his phone. Messages that suggested a level of intimacy with a young woman linked to one of his film projects. The tension reportedly escalated quickly, with Amal demanding answers while George tried to calm her down. Witnesses close to the situation described the moment as intense and heartbreaking. The argument grew louder, and George, who has faced stress-related health issues in the past, reportedly began to feel unwell. Within minutes, paramedics were called to the mansion, and George was rushed to a nearby hospital. Paparazzi cameras caught the flashing lights as an ambulance sped through the gates of their Beverly Hills property, leaving fans worldwide in complete shock. As news broke of George Clooney's hospitalization, social media exploded. Fans flooded X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok with theories, support messages, and disbelief. Hashtags like #PrayForGeorgeClooney and #ClooneyDrama began trending within hours. While representatives for both George and Amal initially declined to comment, insiders claim that Amal has been furious, not just over the alleged cheating, but also over how public the incident has become. For a woman known for her composure and intellect, this scandal threatens to shake her carefully built reputation as one of the most respected figures in international law. At the hospital, George reportedly received immediate care. Close friends revealed that he was suffering from severe stress and exhaustion, though others suspect the confrontation with Amal may have triggered something far deeper, a culmination of pressure, guilt, and emotional turmoil. Medical staff have kept details private, but one insider shared that George was advised to take a complete break from work and public appearances. Filming on one of his upcoming projects has reportedly been paused indefinitely, further fueling speculation that the situation is much more serious than his team is letting on. As of now, George remains silent. He hasn't posted on social media, and his publicist's brief statement, "George is recovering and appreciates everyone's concern," has done little to quiet the storm. Amal, meanwhile, has been seen leaving their home looking visibly tense, refusing to respond to paparazzi questions. Those close to Amal describe her as devastated but composed. She's known for handling the most complex international legal cases, yet dealing with a potential betrayal in her own marriage has reportedly shaken her deeply. Friends say she feels embarrassed and angry that such personal matters have become public fodder. There's speculation that Amal has begun consulting with lawyers, not for a case related to her work, but for potential steps to protect her assets and reputation should the rumors of infidelity prove true. While no official word has come from either side about divorce, sources suggest Amal has moved into a separate wing of their estate, avoiding all unnecessary contact with George since his hospital discharge. At this point, the future of George and Amal Clooney's marriage remains uncertain. Friends hope the couple can find a way to work through this, perhaps through counseling or a private retreat away from the media frenzy. Others believe the damage may already be too great, especially with Amal's pride and professional image at stake. George's health remains a concern as well. Doctors have advised rest, but those close to him worry the emotional stress will take longer to heal than any physical symptoms. And with Amal reportedly refusing to accompany him to follow-up appointments, the distance between them appears to be growing by the day. What do you think, viewers? Can George and Amal Clooney recover from this scandal, or has the trust been broken beyond repair? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next update on this shocking story and more breaking Hollywood news. Stay tuned, because in the world of fame, love, and lies, the truth always finds a way to come out.